kaibigan ko rin ang na-surprise. Na, kasi ngayon bihira na ako lumabas, hindi nila ako nakikita, after dinner, relax na ako sa bahay. So, it's a really change of lifestyle and I'm really happy and I'm stable and I enjoy it.
Malaking factor ba si Sarah dito? Malaking
Oo naman. Kami ni Sarah, yung communication namin, yung relationship namin, it's very helpful.
Ano kasi sabi niya, parang nakita mo kay Sarah, parang nagpahino talaga sa'yo. Parang maging mas 360 degrees. Parang ganun.
I think it's just the yung pinagsamahan namin, the challenges na pinagdaanan namin, mga ups and downs namin, and we're still there communicating and still happy. I think it's just that we're very comfortable with each other and I'm open to her, she's open to me, and after all the trials, parang we're still here together and I think that made us really strong.
She's not pressuring you. She's not pressuring you.
To get married? Well, of course, ako gusto ko na rin talagang, Sarah and I are really, doing well right now and yung buong family ko accepted na rin si Sarah and, we're very happy, we're very stable. So, right now, I don't think we don't need to rush into things. And ngayon talaga yung focus ng buong family is for Elvis to get married. So ayaw naman namin pumapel na, diba, dapat kami rin or something. But eventually we'll get there.
Last question. Pero pwede mo sabihin na ito yung pinakapangarap mo ngayon, yung maging husband and wife talaga kayo legally?
Yes, of course. Isa yun sa talagang, kasi syempre having a partner and having a kid, na parang that will talagang seal the deal and that will make it official and we're looking forward to that. We're looking forward to that day. We want it to be really special.